Now in this video we'll discuss about the second part of the introductory video on data mining. So what is the task of data mining? So types of data mining, there are two basic types. It is predictive and descriptive. So in predictive, to predict something, here to predict something we use predictive to predict something. Okay, and in descriptive, to know the property or characteristics of the data, here to know. Okay, so data mining, there are two types, predictive and descriptive. In predictive we use to predict something, and descriptive we use to know the property and characteristics of the data. In predictive part there are three main techniques are there. These are classification, okay, regression and time series analysis. Here in descriptive it is clustering, okay, association mining, sequence discovery, and so on, and many more techniques are there. So in short, classification. What is classification? To predict the class levels of unknown data. Okay, so that means what? Suppose a model is there, okay, and first of all we have to train the model, we have to develop the model using the training data, okay, and after developing the model we want to know the class level of the unknown data X, so the model will give the class level. Okay, so this is what the classification. So here for classification we may use decision tree. For classification we may use neural network, okay, or naive based classification, okay, or support vector machine, or k nearest neighbor, or rule based system. Okay, so if the data is categorical, we use classification to predict the class level. If the data is continuous, then we use prediction, for example regression. If the class level is categorical, we use classification. If the class level is continuous data, okay, then we use regression data. Next, time series data. If the stock exchange data are there, suppose if the stock exchange data are there, we may predict the value of the share. Suppose what will be the value of the next share, opening value of the next day, okay, of this particular share, say share A and share B. What will be the value of the next day value? So here we use time series data. So association mining was to know the association between the items. Next is what? Clustering. So what is the clustering? So it groups the data based on characteristics of the data. So the data within a group are similar and dissimilar with another group of data. So suppose we have a set of data and we want to group this one. So if you apply clustering, so clusters can identify the groups. Okay, so here we have to apply clustering. Similarly, another is there outlier analysis. So we may suppose any data which is far away from the rest of the data. So this is what? Outlier. So outlier mining is another technique, and outlier analysis is another data mining technique through which we can identify any outlier. Now there is another important term that is called supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So where you have to put, okay, now here you have to write. So supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So supervised learning means what? Where the class levels are there. Okay, and unsupervised learning means where class levels are not there. So here you can see classification, regression, type series analysis, these are all supervised learning. Similarly, clustering, association mining, sequence discovery, these are all unsupervised learning. Now suppose we have a set of student result. Okay, now we can group the result, like if the marks is in between 0 to 30, it is say fail. If it is 200, it is say A plus. Now this is what? These are the class levels. These are what? The class levels. So it is what? Numeric part of the class level, and it is a categorical part of the class level. Suppose we have a set of marks. Suppose we have a roll number and marks. So based on this particular category, we can divide the data, we can divide the students. Okay. Now suppose we have a student database and we don't have any class levels. Means suppose we have a data information about, say, roll number, okay, say age, weight, height. Okay, now based on this age, weight and height, we want to group the data. Okay, so suppose it is a say weight and height. Okay, and height. So we can suppose we have a set of data based on weight and height, and we can, if you want to group, so if you want to group this, then that means what we can do, this one. So it may be the underweight student, these are the overweight student. Okay, so this is what clustering technique, and which is unsupervised technique. So it may be the supervised technique and unsupervised technique. In supervised technique, class levels must be there, and here class levels are not there. Now that is the end of this particular part 2 video. Next we will continue in part 3 as introductory data mining. Okay, thank you very much.